In this video I'm going to show you how to book Apple Edit 5 and 6 in the Hallam building. So the first thing you do from the front page of Connect2 is go to Book by Category, and here you should be able to see Computer Workstations Hallam. From this screen you should be able to see Apple Edit 5 and 6. Now they will appear as single computers. In each of these rooms there are 4 computers. So Apple Edit 5 is room 2328 and Apple Edit 6 is room 2327. Now if you can't see these for some reason, it might be because you're not on one of the courses that have permission to use these rooms. So if you feel like you should have permission, then please contact the Creative Media Centre. Now if you can see these rooms, you will be able to add a computer to your basket. You'll only be able to book one computer at a time, so choose one of these. All the computers are the same, so it doesn't really matter which one you choose, and that will be added to your basket. If you hit create booking, then on the next screen you can choose the start and end time of your booking. So if you want to book for later in the day, then you can do that. I'll make my booking until the latest, which is 4:30, and then you can hit next. And then on the final screen all you have to do is hit submit. Now after you've created your booking, you should be able to just go into the room and use the computer. If the room is locked for some reason, then you can go to the Creative Media Centre and request the key so that you can open the door. But essentially all you've booked in that room is a computer. You've not actually booked a key to that room. So I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.